everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's lesson, we will be talking about networks. So, what are some examples of networks? LAN, WAN, SAN, EPN, WLAN, MAN, PAN, and VPN are some types of networks. So, how is LAN different from WAN, you may ask? So, LAN has a higher transfer rate, whereas WAN has a lower data transfer rate. The speed of LAN is high, whereas the speed of WAN is slower than LAN. LAN is a computer network that covers a small geographic area like a home, office, or a group of buildings. A WAN connects several LANs and may be limited to an enterprise or a corporation or an organization or accessible to the public. The technology is high speed and relatively expensive. A host is any part of the network that gives data out, where client accesses the data from such a server. A hub is a device that uses its ports to connect devices like computers, printers, etc. together. So, do you know what is a network interface card? It's a card installed in a computer that allows you to connect to a network. It can be Ethernet, telephone or wireless. Now, what is FTP? It's a communications method for transferring data between computers on the internet. Now, what is a firewall? It's a part of a computer system that is designed to block unauthorized access. Now, let's define instant messaging. The use of an application that allows users to chat over the internet from computer to computer. Now, what is communications media? It's how nodes in a network are connected together by cable, by fiber optics, radio waves, etc. An exchange of electronic message between computers that are connected to the internet or some other computer network is called email. So, what is a node? A node is any device physically connected in a network, such as computer workstations, server, printers, etc. A public place that provides internet access to users or customers is called public internet access point. Now, what is topology? The answer is the physical and logical design of a computer network. Examples include mesh, bus, ring, and star. The physical layout of the network devices and the calling and how all the components communicate with each other. So now, let's discuss what is a workstation and what is video conferencing. Live conferences over the internet that includes voice, video and or text is called video conferencing. And a workstation is a special computer designed for technical or scientific applications. Now, let's talk about what is Bluetooth and bandwidth. Bluetooth allows electronic devices like cell phones and computers to exchange data over short distances using radio waves. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transferred over a network in a certain amount of time. Now, what is a wireless adapter? It's a device that you must have on your computer in order to connect to a wireless network. Now, let's talk about Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless local area network that uses radio signals to transmit data. A controller network that connects computers and other devices through a server is called server-based. A computer networking device that connects network segments is called switch. Do you know what does WLAN stand for? Well, it stands for wireless local area network. Now, do you know what does MAN stand for? MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network, a geographic network that covers a larger geographic area, such as a city or community. It may be used to connect computers in libraries, government agencies, etc. together. No more than 30 miles in size. We're almost done, so just a few minutes. to go. So let's talk about servers and routers. First, what is a server? It's a computer with large processing resources that stores all of the software that controls the network, as well as the software that can be shared with the computers attached to the network. Now let's talk about the routers. A router is a device that transfers data from one network to another in an intelligent way. What is a modem? A modem is a device that allows computers to communicate over telephone lines. Now, what is peer to peer? Peer to peer is a controller network that simply connects computers to each other or to a device such as a printer, but a server is not necessary. Now, last but not least, what is a protocol? It's how data is formatted, transmitted, and received in a network. That's it for today. May God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and make sure to check out my other videos on my channel. Bye.